Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on time management, and the question is, how do I prioritize my work? Kit, I have a lot to do. My in-basket is out of this world. I have stacks and stacks of documents, lots and lots of emails, and people involve me in all of their projects. I play a very important role in our organization, and my ideas and insight are sought by staff. How do I prioritize all of my work? I agree, there always is a lot to do. We wouldn't have a job unless there were tasks and services that needed to be completed. Here are some thoughts on how to prioritize your work. Make a list of all the activities you are involved. Consider all the items in your in-basket. Include appointments, projects, meetings, reports, routine tasks, and the people you will need to talk to concerning these activities. Consider all of the interactions required to arrange for materials, sharing information, giving directions, and responding to requests. List everything you can think of that you need to do. Now, analyze and rate or score each item based upon these 4 criteria: intrinsic importance, deadline-driven, potential for delegation, and communication time. Provide a score from 1 to 4 for each criterion. Intrinsic importance means everyone agrees it is important. That is why we provide the service and why we're in the industry we are. Deadline-driven means that there is a certain day and time it needs to be completed, or there will be negative consequences. Potential for delegation considers whether it is something that only you can do, or can someone else be quickly or properly trained to perform the work instead. Finally, the communication time needs to be evaluated. Phone calls and emails and meetings. Estimate how much time is needed and how often and by who. If the task scores 16, you better get on it. If the task scores lower, maybe it is time to let go of it and give it to somebody else that can grow with it. Oh my, I better get started on my list. It will be long, but it won't be long before I'm doing the right things rather than doing things right. I love the scoring system. It's simple, like me. Thank you for watching this video blog on time management. And the question was, how do I prioritize my work? Sometimes when we feel overwhelmed by all the work, we need to step back and work on prioritizing and ask, what's the best use of my time right now? That's what prioritizing is all about. If you or members of your organization are struggling with time management, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation packed with time management strategies that work.